Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from SDET Automation channel. In this session, we will discuss about one of the interview program, which is asked for automation testers, is to find the smallest and second smallest numbers from the given array using an inbuilt function and without inbuilt function. So inbuilt function, we will have a small program, but without inbuilt function, we have to use some logics and loops to find the second smallest number and smallest number from the given array. So let me quickly start with the inbuilt functions, how we can traverse and find the smallest and second smallest from the given array. So this is the array. So I wanted to capture this under a variable called integer variable, which is array arr with the format of array, square braces, open close. And I need to sort the entire array. To sort, let me comment it out. How we can sort it? So using one of the class called arrays dot sort sort, and we have to take the integer type, right? So sorting is done. Now next thing is we have to simply call that smallest and second smallest number using indexing. So sys out. So smallest number starts from index 0, and similarly we have to do one more line to get the second smallest number, and this will be after 0, the second smallest will be occurring. So I will quickly run this program. Results are printed here. You can see smallest number is 0 from this given array, and second smallest is 3. So this is using an inbuilt function called arrays.sort. So without using arrays.sort, how you can do a program? So for that, I will simply go over above the public static void main, and I will comment this program. You can take later on. And here I will simply call one public class or a static class, static int type int, and I will name this as second smallest number. So in this we have to take two arguments from the main. So one is the array we have to take, and we have to take the length of the array. So two things we have to take. So simply I will name this as array. So what is the array type? It is an int type. Okay, int array comma int n. N will be a number of length of that entire array. We will name that under n. Okay, and I will start from here. And don't worry, it is showing error, so later on it will be fixed. So first thing, I need to take one temporary variable. So that variable will be a int smallest number, int smallest number, and this I will name under array of 0. So array of 0, I am assigning that to a empty. So I'm thinking that my smallest number is available on array of 0. Okay, and now we need to do a looping concept here. So we need to find number, smallest number. So for that I will take for loop here. So for int I equals, so array starts from 0, 0, and I is less than n, right? Again I plus plus. So this will do an increment operation, and under that for loop I will again name or call one if condition. So this if condition is to verify my of array of I is less than smallest number. Smallest number, and under that I will mention that smallest number is equals array. So whatever variable there, if my condition is if condition passes, that array variable, that my smallest number for example is 1, so 1 will be automatically passed to array, and again that array value will be copied to smallest number, so my smallest number will become 1. So this is the one. And now to find the second smallest number. So this is to find the smallest number, and I need to find the second smallest number. So to do that, I need to first again get the temporary variable. Right, I am assuming that my second smallest number will be at maximum number. So for that, I will again take one more variable called int second smallest number. So my second smallest number will be under integer dot max value. So this is the max value that I'm assigning to my second smallest number. Again, I need to perform a looping concept here. Again, int I equals 0, because array starts from 0th index, I less than n, and I plus plus, right? Now, so in the above condition, we have taken only one condition, right? In the if condition, that array of I should be less than small. So here we need to add one more additional condition with respect to this. One is array of I is not equal to exclamate equal to smallest number. So my array of I shouldn't be a smallest number, because that it should be a second smallest. So above, after the smallest number is my number I need to find. And one more condition is my array of I is less than second smallest number, which I'm currently assigning a larger number to it, but it should be less than to it. So my value shouldn't be a smallest number, and my value shouldn't be a largest number. So it will be between these two numbers. Okay, right. And in the next line, I will mention second smallest number equals. So if this condition passes, then I need to assign that array value to my second smallest number, right? So this is the two condition which we need, and I need to return the second smallest number, right? So I will mention return second smallest number, and with semicolon, right? So so here I need to mention array of I, right? Right, we got this program. Now we need to get the values for this from the main method. So I will start from this line here in the middle. Right, this is the main method. Under that main method, what I need to do? So I need to get the array. So this is the same array I need to copy, and this is the line. So this is the array of elements, which is the int type. And now I need to get the number n, right? So to get the number n, so I can tell array int n equal to array of length. So this will get my entire length of my array, right? And in the next line, I can print my second smallest number. So sys out, and here I will mention as, I will simply call that function name. So okay, this is a function name because it's a static, so we can call directly here second smallest number, right? And I need to pass array and I need to pass n, correct? Right, all right. So this is done. Now simply I will right click and run as Java program. So now you can see it is printing as 3. So what if I before 3 I remove 3 now? I will remove 3. So now second highest number will be 5. So I will quickly right click and run this program. Now okay, I have changed in the comment but not in the array. Okay, now it should print 5. Right, 5 is the second largest, I mean second smallest number. So this is how you can program in the interview, and you will get the answer quickly. Hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment box. I will help you out. Thank you for watching.